New tonight, CBS Atlanta goes undercover to test heating and air conditioning companies. We expose the tricks they sometimes use to get you to pay more money. We show you the upsells, the mistakes, even threats against customers who complain.
Chief Investigative Reporter Wendy Saltzman is asking the tough questions about the costly sales tactics you can face when you call for help.
We contacted 4 companies for a general checkup on a heater that works perfectly. One company did great, but the others recommended repairs ranging from a few $100s to over $1,000 for what our experts said were completely unnecessary repairs. CBS Atlanta News is asking the tough questions after our hidden camera investigation exposed questionable tactics used by some heating companies to make money. We installed hidden cameras in a home to document the sales pitch.
It's just a matter of time before it gets stuck, and then you have problems.
But first we had our heater inspected by an expert, Staten Conditioned Air, who has a complaint-free history with the Better Business Bureau.
Nothing obviously that needed to be replaced.
Then we called 4 companies to look at our heater. The results? We were upsold by 3 of the 4 companies we tested.
The gas will keep coming, and if the gas build up, you know what's going to happen. So we don't want that.
Barty Heating and Air upsold us $264 for a hot surface igniter our experts say we didn't need.
Do you think using that fear tactic was the accurate way to portray this?
Absolutely not.
When Barty's service manager Gresham Ard came back to check our heater, he admitted his technician made a mistake.
So he was in error in recommending based off of the resistance to replace it.
You think that the system's broken?
Something's happened.
Chuck Maddox at Maddox Comfort Systems completely misdiagnosed our dual fuel heater and said it wasn't working properly. He recommended replacing the control board and a new thermostat.
I'm gonna say $300 for a thermostat.
Maddox refunded us the $90 cost of our service call, but he didn't want to be interviewed on camera. The most expensive upsells were made by Mechanics Heating and Air Conditioning for more than $1,000 of repairs our experts said we didn't need.
When these start to go bad, they just explode and then it stops working.
Mechanics recommended a new booster on our air conditioner.
And I recommend a booster. It's an extra protection.
And a refrigerant top-off to fix what they claimed was a leak.
It's not a huge leak. It's a microscopic leak.
They also recommended cleaning our air conditioning coils and cleaning our flame sensor, a service that takes about 2 minutes. Another company did it for free.
This is your flame sensor? Okay. It needs to be cleaned.
Mechanics' biggest sales pitch was a duct cleaning for $875, padding the bill for more than $1,400.
But if you was to get everything done, then we give half off the entire job.
Coming up in a few minutes, the threats Mechanics makes against customers who complain, how they threatened us and called the cops to avoid our tough questions. Plus, we named the company who did the best job. That's coming up in a few minutes right here on CBS Atlanta News.